Hey, Kerry, how you doing?
Welcome to Warren Industries.
All right, thanks a lot. We're looking forward to taking this tour.
Looking forward to having you.
All right, we're going to get an inside look at all your secrets, huh?
Yep. Come on in.
Warren was founded in 1948 by an individual by the name of Arthur Warren, who at the time had a Jeep Kaiser dealership, and as we all know, after the war, a number of Jeeps were coming back from World War II, and they did not have an ability to be driven on roads because they were designed to operate in off-road environments. Arthur Warren came up with the great idea of a hub that could be placed on the front axle to turn off the four-wheel drive system so that you could drive it on the road, and it would handle more carefully, and it would get better fuel economy and be much easier to drive. He actually started selling these through little ads in the back of Popular Mechanics out of his house and his trunk of his car, and the business basically grew from there with his wife.
We're getting ready to go in behind the scenes where it all happens here at Warren Industries. Kerry Pangaris has taken us through here. He's going to hook us up. We're going to see some different areas where winches are assembled and where gears are made. It's pretty cool. We're going to get all the secrets. Well, maybe not all of them, but some of them. Oh, here's Carl. This is Carl.
Yeah.
Hi, Carl.
Howdy.
How you doing?
Good. Great. Welcome here to our ATV engineering area, right behind me over here. I wonder if we just take a quick stop right through here for a minute. And I got a couple things we can show you, and then we can head on out here to our fabrication. I'll give you a quick look at one of our CAD stations here where we design our winches, bumpers, snowplows, all of our ATV products. One of the things that Ron can show you real quick is what a solid model looks like, and when we design our products we create them all in solid models and 3D models so that we can compare the fits, make sure everything fits together right. It substantially improves our timing in getting prototypes made and to production.
Basically what we're doing here is our solid modeling program where we have the winch. We can view the winch in different configurations so it looks as in the solid form there, and then we can change the winch to a wireframe type view here so we can go in and see specifically the parts in different colors in here where the gear sets are at. Basically by modeling all the parts that does allow us to do a very high quality part.
Warren is located in two primary manufacturing facilities in Portland, Oregon area, actually Clackamas and Milwaukee, Oregon. We have about 400,000 square feet, a little over 600 current employees assembling and manufacturing our products. In addition, we have an operation in Detroit, Michigan that interfaces primarily with the automotive OEMs, and we manufacture a number of powertrain components that go into that Ford Super Duty pickup or a Chrysler all-wheel drive Pacifica that are manufactured and provided by Warren. And in addition, our products are sold in over 65 countries around the world. There's not many places today that you can't go out and buy a Warren product if you're looking for one.
Here we go. We're going in. Let's see what makes this place tick.
I run two lasers over here. One's a 2200 watt, one's a 4000 watt. We cut parts for the ATV side and the truck side. We cut material anywhere from 22 gauge up to 5/16 on this end, and we also have a couple other lasers on the other end that are 3000 watt that are capable of cutting up to 3/4 inch material.
Basically, I'm a robot operator, but I'm a welder by trade. The weldment stays, the weld size stays the same no matter what. It always welds in the same spot, same heat range, same gun angle, and you can be cleaning parts while the robot is welding and loading other stations. So usually doubles the time of hand loading.
Welcome to the small winch team. I'm Ian Thompson, manufacturing manager here, and I'll take you a tour through our department. The heart of the department is the 2.5 CI
the ones that we have 5 lines for. They're set up in U-shaped lines. We have 4 workstations, and we just pass a winch through. We use just-in-time techniques to get it through as quickly and efficiently as we can. And at each station we have all sorts of special checks put in place to make sure that each winch that goes out of the plant is perfect. We make winches for several manufacturers. Where today we're making Polaris, but we do several other manufacturers as we go through. We buy wire in 1,000-foot spools and cut it here. All of our 2.5 winches go with 6-gauge wire to make sure we don't overheat the product. What we do is we'll take our product and we'll take it over to shipping and receiving, and then they'll process all the orders. So we try to get all of our work orders finished at least 3 days before they have to ship.
As the parts come to us from the welder over here, we put them on the line, check in the corresponding part. Roughly an hour and 20 minutes to go around the line. It runs about 5 feet per minute. We can do roughly, say, 400 bumpers an hour. As they come off of here, they go around, they go through a wash cycle bath, then they go through a cure oven, and the parts dry off. Then as they come around, then they go around to the paint booth, and they're painted on the back side of the paint booth. Then they go through a curing oven and come out of the curing oven. Then they come around to the other side and they're boxed.
We're getting ready to head into the heavily guarded R&D facility. We're getting ready to talk to Randy. As you can see, there's a lock on the door, so nobody can get in there. So we're going to see what secrets they have in testing their winches.
Well, we have a lot of projects here that are proprietary. They're products that have not been released to the market yet. And we like to kind of keep them under wraps until we've finished the designs and made sure that they're worthy to exceed our customer expectations. We start out at a point of design concept. We'll do testing then, and then we'll continue to test those products through the engineering design phases. And then once they're actually built in production, we test once again to make sure that coming off of production that they are per design intent that the engineer wanted to see happen.
I think for the entire team here at Warren, I'd like to thank everybody who's purchased our products over the years, and like to encourage them to continue to use Warren products and understand that we stand behind them. We're pleased that people are out there using them, and we're very proud that they've chosen Warren to place on their ATVs.
Hey, Kerry, thanks a lot for taking us inside and showing us around Warren Industries.
Glad you could come out, Brian. We really had a good time having you out here to see the people and all of our products.
Yeah, we had a great time. Folks, now you see why Warren is the leader in